Hello guys, you're welcome back. Ultimate Love David and Bolar exchange banter on social media. Ultimate Love David and Bolar fight. Former love guests, couples in the just concluded Ultimate Love reality TV show have been at loggerheads with each other on social media during the weekend. It started after Arnold took to his Instagram account to stream a live video where he alleged that Preshtalker and David Wilson engaged themselves in physical fighting. According to him, it was so serious that the fight drew the attention of the hotel staff to separate them. When David heard about what was said about them, they immediately debunked it, saying there's nothing that could lead them into going physical. Preshtalker called out Arnold for spreading fake rumors about them, saying it is because of envy and bitterness. David Wilson on his part admitted that indeed they had minor misunderstanding, but it did not result to what Arnold was spreading. He said it is normal for them to have misunderstanding. Okay guys, things are beginning to reveal itself. Let's just hope Preshtalker and David Wilson are in a good place. And from what Arnold said, he said they had a little fight. Okay, let's just watch out and see what's going to happen in the coming days. Alright guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.